Hey guys, it's Medicosis Perfectionalis. Welcome to my new series on physiology. Today, we're kicking things off with an introduction to this amazing field. So, let's jump right in. First, let's break down the word physiology. It comes from two Greek words, physis meaning origin or nature, and logia meaning the study of But here at Medicosis, we're all about human physiology. So, what is it? Simply put, it's the study of how the human body works. While anatomy is about structure, physiology is all about function and the mechanisms behind that function. Think of your body as a perfectly regulated system with amazing communication. You've got fast communication through your neurons and slower, long-lasting signals through your endocrine system. The basic building block of your body is the cell, and you have about 100 trillion of them. That's an incredible number, all working together in a coordinated way. Now, let's talk about the internal environment, or as the French say, the milieu intérieur. About 60% of your body weight is just water. This water is divided into two main compartments. 2/3 of it is inside your cells, called the intracellular fluid. The other 1/3 is outside your cells, known as the extracellular fluid. Let's make it simple. If you weigh 100 kilograms, 60 kilograms of that is water, which is 60 liters. The intracellular fluid would be about 40 liters, and the extracellular fluid would be the remaining 20 liters. In this extracellular fluid that your cells literally live and bathe. That's why we call it the internal environment. So what's in this extracellular fluid, or ECF? It's water, of course, but it also carries vital ions like sodium, chloride, and bicarbonate. It transports oxygen and essential nutrients like amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose. It also carries away waste products like carbon dioxide, which goes to your lungs to be exhaled, and other waste that heads to your kidneys to be removed as urine. This ECF is constantly moving. It gets pumped from your heart through arteries into tiny capillaries where it diffuses into your tissues, and then it returns to the heart through your veins. This constant circulation means the ECF is everywhere, truly making it your body's internal world. Now, what about the fluid inside your cells, the intracellular fluid? It also contains water and ions, but they're different. Inside the cell, you'll find more potassium, magnesium, and phosphate ions. This is a key difference from the ECF, which is rich in sodium and chloride. This doesn't mean you won't find any sodium inside a cell. It just means it's much more concentrated outside. Similarly, potassium is much more common inside the cell than outside. This difference in ion concentration across the cell membrane is crucial for many bodily functions. And we'll definitely dive deeper into that later. These ions are always moving in and out, a process that is tightly regulated. In our next video, we'll talk about the concept that governs this regulation. Homeostasis. And please, don't confuse it with homeostasis. They are completely different things. To make sure you don't miss that next lesson, I strongly urge you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, SoundCloud, and Instagram. If you'd like to support this channel and get some extra perks like early access to videos, you can do so on Patreon. Thank you so much for watching. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.